doing this. Do I even remember how to play this? Press any keys. Yeah, that's I really like the music though. Genuinely, I really like the game. I just suck at it. Because I'm very bad at these types of games, so... Rip me. I don't think I'll get better soon. So V is for melee, right? Yeah, I have that weird ass weapon too. How do I use my first and second ability? Right, click option if I don't really want to waste my mana here. So move forward obviously, move in, turn. Jump is obviously space, crouch is C, crouch for T. I can sprint. Forgot about that. Fire weapon, fire vigor. And how do I change vigor? Vigor menu Q is probably to change vigor. I keep vigor. Okay. So right now I'm on possessing thingy, I believe. Actually, I don't know what these do, to be honest with you guys. Oh. Salt. Oh yeah, I forgot it's called salt. So I can use this twice. Probably kill something, is what I'm guessing. This does not look cool. It just does not look great at all. Wait, don't I come through here? Yeah, I come from here. There's salt over here. Vending machine. Pistol ammo. Don't I already have a lot of pistol ammo? Oh, it's full, yeah. Obviously. Where am I going? I come from here, so there's no point of me coming here, right? The sound though. I fucking hate the sound. I'm a floating island. On the floating island. Am I supposed to go through here then? Fuck me. Didn't I already go through here? I feel like I've already gone through here. So we have... Actually don't know them. Who is that? John Wilkes Booth Memorial. With bird shit. Oh, okay, yeah, I do suck at these. Don't I also have armor? Yeah, I also have armor, right? Yeah, I do. That's a lot of armor, by the way. Jesus. Oh. Well, that was 50. Nothing. Sure, let's play that. That guy though.
To the founders the tools to build a new Eden, they did so without hesitation. For 85 years they prepared the way of the Lord. But when
My
the
money though.
apostate came, he brought war with him, and the fields of Eden were soaked
Oops.
with the blood.
Okay, so that's possession.
The only emancipation he had to offer
Okay, so
was
that's
death.
I don't. Where's the salt? Give me the salt. That's the firebomb thingy. That's what I'm betting on. I'm pretty fucking sure I went through here already. I'm pretty damn sure. I totally went through here. There was nothing though. Wait, upstairs. Ah, yes, I remember now. I already did this though.
Where we demonstrated to the solemn below the true mission our founders have given us. And when the man comes and inhibits you got no backbone.
Huh. Are these just corpses? Well, I just killed a lot of people. Do I feel proud? Not really, but can't be that bad. Oh. Increase maximum health, mana, or shield. Well, salt, I guess. But I feel like upgrading shield would be better, so I can run away and then start the fight over again. Shield, right?
Just what the doctor ordered.
Find the key that fits the. Wait. Find the lock that fits the key, if I remember right. So just. John Wills, I think. Again. For God and country. Oops. Oh yeah, I forgot I can charge it. Oh fuck. That would have been very useful back then with a lot of people. I think other people are gonna come back up here, right? Remember? No? I know, because last time I defeated them from down there. Well, from up here, I mean. So, no. Machine gun ammo. I don't have a machine gun. Well, this way then.
Shortly after 1 o'clock this afternoon, the scoundrel, believed now by many to be Vox Populi, began his terrible rampage.
My rampage.
Instantly. Full of wrath and bent on harm, the anarchist maliciously wounded several Colombian peacemakers, before then arming himself and firing into an assemblage of virtuous fairgoers. As of this hour, he is considered wholly responsible for causing
Propagandas.
God-fearing Colombians to meet their maker in heaven. He is considered brimming with danger and evil intent, and we implore you not to tempt ruination by facing him without aid of Colombia's finest.
Colombia's finest.
Back to the music.
Fucking love the music though. This pistol doesn't do that much damage, huh? Looks light too.
Another reason for making whoopee.
Into the elevator with bird shit. Man, they really like that bird shit. Hey. Supposed to go this way. And up to there.
Contact tested product for your safety.
Health kits. First ammo. I have it maxed out, huh? I have that maxed out too. What could go wrong, right? Actually, I'm gonna keep that money. Because I don't have a machine gun. Comstock. Range stuff? Areas of the brain. More bird shit for some reason. This looks interesting. Why is it playing though? There's music coming from over there. What is this? Protecting our ways. Oh, found something. Oh, you could have. I could have raided those desks. Oh. Let's play that thing.
Sweet Mother of Columbia, why do we worship three symbols in your memory? We worship the sword, so that we might avenge you. We worship the raven, so that we might cover the city with eyes. We worship the coffin, because it symbolizes the weight of our faith.
Oh, what is this? This doesn't look too legal. You guys first search this first before I get locked up in that fucking room or some shit. Wait, what is new pants? Firebird! Jumping from a skyline has a 100% chance to burn nearby enemies. Victim takes 500 damage over. Why would I not take this? Rotten food, that's a good sign. No one was hidden. Someone was tortured, that's one thing. Was someone dead though? Probably. Okay. So. Okay.
You do this! I just want to go back to my family!
Is he dead? I mean, that's a stupid question, but he just got like what? Attacked by birds? Okay, that's actually a lot of fucking blood. Never mind then. I cannot turn that off. Okay, that's gonna annoy the fuck out of me.
No mercy for anybody!
Oh god, my first fucking boss. Put the trap right here. I can execute him. There we go.
vigor. That's a hell of a thing.
Ah, superpowers! Give it to me. How lucky am I? Okay, that's it. That's a bit extreme.
Press to summon murderous crows. Hold and release to create a nest trap.
So it's like my fire fucking powers, except birds, yo. Oh, what? Let's get out of this fucking shit. Go birds! Okay, it just fucked them, so I can go in and then like melee all of them afterwards. I bet it does some damage too, huh? Wait for my shield to recharge. There we go. Let's get the cups. Birds. Very good.
Sweet
I
mother of
didn't want to.
Maria.
Okay, fine. Option. Keyboard. It's my menu option. It's Q.
Why do we worship three symbols in your memory? We worship the sword, so that we might avenge you. We worship the raven, so that we might cover the city with eyes.
So that's the way
We
we.
worship the coffin, because it symbolizes the weight of our faith.
Oh, did I just beat my first boss here? Dwarf or a Frenchman with a missing left eye. Damn. That's very cool. Does it use my money? Ah, this shop is broken. I cry. Open these doors. I wonder if there's a saving point somewhere. How do I use these again? Oh yeah,
Gotta get to
attach.
Monument Island from that station.
Some bullets might be pretty good in the end. Okay, before I get too hasty here, so I have time to lose, I guess. Let's loot these things, right? Oh, that dead corpse. Oh, that's a cool looking gun. Ah, I could have taken a machine gun this whole time. Damn! Well, I mean, you're still using the pistol though. Seems more effective. For man, Birdman. Okay, fuck it. Enter? Enter. I could even end right here, actually. Right? Damn. Yeah, these two are good. I mean, there's some serious money to earn. I don't know, because I only have 400, so I'm surprised I could even afford that right now. to profit, right? Let's look at this. Uncanny mystery in Colombia. And that looks like where again? Huh. Okay. I'm gonna stop right here. Wait, am I saved? I think I'm pretty safe.